what's up? It's Car. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a What's on my iPhone X video, so I'm super excited about this, so let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so first, when you look at the lock screen, I have this really cute picture of my puppy Kaiser. She's so adorable, and then when you open it, it opens to just my home screen and my background. It's just a really cute blush background. I like it to be plain so it's not busy in the background. And then the first two rows, I have just basically all your basics. I have clock, app store, photos, calendar, notes, reminders, weather, and settings. Those are just all your basics, so I'm not going to go into those. But on my third row, I have Pillow. Pillow is an app I've already showed you guys. I love this app so much. It basically tracks how much you get to sleep at night. It's an alarm, and it also has noises you can fall asleep to. So I listen to the rain or the thunderstorm. And then next I have Pandora. Everybody knows what Pandora is. You just listen to music on it. I have some of my favorite music on there. And then my next app is YouTube. Of course you have to have YouTube if you're a YouTuber or if you're a big fan of YouTube. You have to have YouTube. And then next to that I have YouTube Studio. Now YouTube Studio is just a way for creators to keep track of their videos, their playlists, their comments, analytics, everything like that. So it's super awesome if you want to keep track of your channel super easily. That's an awesome app to use. Then next I have Facebook. Facebook is just super simple, you know. Of course, you know I have my notifications turned off for Facebook because they're very annoying. Then next I have Instagram, and Instagram is one of my favorite apps. I love Instagram so much. So this is my profile. If you guys want to follow me, it's just at Silly Carlie, so don't forget to follow me. But this is my Instagram. I have a Spooktober highlight, so I love the highlights. I'm doing a bunch of highlights and stuff like that, so keep track of those. Then next I have Twitter. I used to be obsessed with Twitter, but now I'm obsessed with Instagram. And of course you have to change your layout for October. I have my banner as Big Booty Witches, and in my bio it says Spooky Season, and my name is Spooky Car. So you have to give it a whole new layout when spooky season comes around. Everybody knows that. Then I have Snapchat. Snapchat, I don't really use it that much, but I do sometimes. So here's me. Nope. Let's see any. I like the pumpkin one. I don't use Snapchat much anymore because Instagram is where it's at. I think I'll start using Snapchat more, try and get into it for those of you who are not following me on Instagram. And if you're following me on Snapchat, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. And then I have Messenger, Facebook Messenger. I don't need to go into that. Then I have Amazon. Amazon is my favorite. I love it. Get yourself Amazon Prime. You're going to be thankful for that. And if you guys want to see what's in my Amazon Prime account, just ask for a video because I have a bunch of things in my Amazon cart. And then I have Waze. And Waze is so awesome because it tells you if there's any cops nearby or if anyone has seen a cop, so that's awesome. And it's just the best and easiest way to navigate where you're gonna go. And then I have Pinterest, and I love Pinterest just to scroll through and just look at all the crazy things that it has. I really love Pinterest when I'm super bored. I'll just go through it. So if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, I have a bunch of boards, and it's just at Carlie. Then I have Bank of America and Student, which is an app for my school. Then I have PayPal, gotta get that money, just kidding. And then I have Camera. And then my bottom row is all the essentials: text, mail, phone, which I never use, and Safari. So when you swipe over to my next page, I have random stuff, Instagram, lifestyle, Google, shopping, games and apps. So I like to have my first homepage all the way full, and then my next page I like to have it in categories. So the first categories is random stuff, and this is basically just all the stuff that comes with the iPhone that's random and that I don't really use. That measuring tool though, that was pretty cool. That's pretty cool in that new update. And I also have Netflix in here because I only watch Netflix on my TV, but if I ever needed to watch it on my phone, it's there. Then I have the Instagram category, and it just has all the things that you would use to make a really cute Instagram photo. I have Huji, it's hard to say, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I haven't used that in a while, but it's a super cute like It's like an old school looking, it's an old school way to take a photo, so it's pretty cool. And then I have Facetune, which Facetune is a lifesaver. You know, you gotta shrink those pores and everything like that. And then I have Lightroom, and I use my favorite preset on here, which is Aspen Over Dreamy. It looks like this. Here's the before, and here's the after. Yes, girl. I love these presets. You have to get them. And then I have Play-Doh-Verse. That's a really cool app where you can totally move the picture. So if you have like water floating around you, or if you're on a beach, you can move the waves, and that's so cool. I just need to get a picture where I want to move something, and then I'll post from it. The next category I have is lifestyle, and the first app I have is Vagaro. I don't know what it is, but it's a funny name. But I use this for my eyelash extensions. I just make my appointments on there because my eyelash lady has this app, so I make appointments on there. Then I have Eve, it's just a period tracker, and then I have Octoly. And Octoly is for influencers, but you have to have 1,000 subscribers, so I'm saving it until I reach 1,000 subscribers so I can use that. And then the next category is Google, just Google Drive and Google Home. I have Google Home, but I turned her off because she would be making noise right now. The next app I have is shopping. I have OfferUp, Venmo, because Venmo shopping equals money, Starbucks, Dote, and Postmates. Dote, I love Dote. It's so awesome. It's just an app where you can online shop for a bunch of stores, and your whole cart is just one cart, so you don't have to buy it from the separate online store. So that's super cool. Postmates, I've used Postmates once when me and my friend didn't want to go drive and get food, so it's pretty cool. Then I have TikTok, which it used to be Musical.ly. I don't know what happened with it, but now it's TikTok. Yeah, I don't really use it, but I have a friend. Make sure to follow him. I'll leave his or I'll put his app right here. He's like a famous Musical.ly TikTok creator. It's so cool, so go follow him. He has like thousands of followers. Then the next app is Episode, where I do my episode videos, so if you haven't seen those, link in the description box. And then I have Bumble for Bumble Friends, and then I have the Ace Family app, which they're such a cute little family. I'm sure you guys know of them. They have 12 million subscribers. They're awesome. And I download the app because I think it's really cool when YouTubers are making apps and branching out of YouTube. And the last app I have in this category, I don't think I mentioned the name, but it's games/apps, is the Daily Horoscope. And the Daily Horoscope is so cool. It has your horoscope for today, it has the characteristics, it has your compatibility with the other horoscopes. I love that. So I'm a Gemini. I've already read my horoscope. It has nothing to do with me today, but you know, can't be right all the time. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my iPhone proportion. Now I want to get into my case, because obviously I showed you what's on my iPhone. Now I have to show you what beautiful case I'm wearing on my phone. This is from Kroma Cases. It's this really awesome phone case. It has a border, and then it has like a backplate type of thing. That's what they call it. So it's really cool. This goes on, and then you snap your backplate on. And I have two other backplates that I want to show you guys. I have this awesome, really cool Galaxy girl. I aspire to be her. She's so cute. And I love this backplate. I just think it's so awesome. And then I have this yellow flower backplate. I love this one too because I love yellow, so I had to include that. And then all of them come with this super pleasing film that you take off of it. I definitely don't want to take it off because I want to keep it nice and clean until I want to switch out my backplate. This is the super cute little daisy backplate. I love this backplate. And then I also have another little border. I got the blush pink one, so here's what it looks like, just to give you an idea. You just put it on and then you snap your backplate in, and it's so awesome. Kroma Cases is BPA, BPS, and BPF free, so that's really awesome. It's 100% recyclable. It absorbs 11 feet of impact. So if you drop your phone from the stairs, it'll be safe. It'll be protected. It also has a little bit of rise on the front, so if you drop it, it's definitely not gonna crack, because I know a lot of phone cases, they go on the edge of your phone. They don't rise up a little bit, so you definitely want that. yeah, these cases are super awesome. Bonus too, if you guys want to get 10% off your order on Kroma Cases, use the code Carlie or use that link that I have down in the description box. Don't forget to check them out. They have super cute back plates. These are just 3 of the back plates that they have. They have so many more. They're so cute. You have to check them out. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below anything you want. And definitely don't forget to comment if you got a Kroma case. I really want to know. And if you enjoyed this and me, don't forget to subscribe to me. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, ghouls! Stay spooky.